Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we will be discussing about the mean value theorem. Okay? So ang mean value theorem is basically a more generalized version ng Rolle's theorem. So paano natin sinabi na generalized siya, 'di ba? So pag sinabi natin again na Rolle's theorem, if we have a graph, so yung two endpoints natin, say A and B, are 0, then we are sure that we have a point somewhere between A and B, point C, wherein yung derivative doon would be 0 or you have a tangent line na horizontal. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin na mean value theorem, hindi na necessary ngayon na yung line between A and B ay horizontal, no? So, ano ngayon yung function definition natin? So, pag sinabi natin na mean value theorem, we should have, again, let a function f such that f is continuous on the closed interval a and b pa din. Okay? And f is differentiable in the open interval a comma b. Okay? So, pag nasatisfy itong dalawang condition na to, then we can say that there is a number C, okay, between A and B such that the derivative of f evaluated at C is equal to fb minus fa over b minus a. Okay? And kung mapapansin natin, this term is basically just the slope. Tama? Between 2 points. So, get the y coordinates divided by the x coordinates. Tama? So, this is just the slope. Okay? So, graphically, ano ibig sabihin na ito? Okay? So, if we have, say, a random graph, so let's say ganyan, and we have here a continuous function and differentiable siya, okay, and we label this as point A, and let's say this is point B, and this is the x-axis, the y-axis. Then, if we connect these 2 points, so itong points A and B, so take note that this is A comma f of A, and this is B comma fb. Tama? And this is our function f. So, ang sinasabi ng mean value theorem, that makakahanap tayo somewhere between this function kung saan parallel tangent line to the points A and B. Okay, so we can call this, say, line L. Okay, so there is a tangent line to the graph of f that is parallel to L. Okay, whose point of tangency, okay, take note that the point of tangency should be between A and B. Okay, so this is clearly between A and B, and we call that point C. Okay? So, pwede rin naman, let's say, dalawang points, no? So, let's say, we have here a function, and say, ganito siya. Tama? And, say, this is point A. Sige, this is point A, and this is point B. Again, x-axis, y-axis. So, if we connect points A and B, okay, makakahanap tayo, sabi ng mean value theorem, kung saan meron tayong tangent line through the graph parallel to the line AB, no? So, and in this case, ito siya, no? So, ayan. So, parallel tong line na to sa line na to. And we also have another one here sa baba, kung saan parallel din to sa line A through B. And both of those points are between A and B. Okay? So, ang pinagkaibahan niya again from the Rolle's theorem is that ito ngayon hindi na kailangan horizontal line. Okay? Respect to the x-axis. So, ngayon pwede na siyang with respect to any of the 2 points. Okay? So, yun yung pinagkaibahan ng mean value theorem sa Rolle's theorem, and we will be solving some examples in our future video. Okay? So, see you in the next video.